Is copy trading working in 2026? Well, January is almost at the end, and now is very good time to check and understand what are the new trends in copy trading and if this is actually worth of your time. So without further ado, let's go on our trading dashboard and check this all out. Okay traders, we are at Vantage Forex website and we have opened copy trading dashboard. So here we are seeing what happened with recent ranks with growth shield, highest annual return, low risk and stable return, and traders with high win rate. Now, to be completely honest, I am not fan of these rankings because most of them give simply preposterous returns like this one, which is what, like 1,000,000% return. I don't think this is really serious. Or 322,521% 0.65 return. This also is simply ridiculous amounts of returns, which is no way possible to realistic trading, because I believe these are jacked up numbers, which actually is pretty easy to make if you know your way around most of the trading platforms. So what we could actually do is to simply go and open rank list, and what we have to do here is simply have filter, and we have filter for 1 month, and we have to see what are the best returns for 1 month, since we are looking at 2026, and just for simplicity open the rank with simple ranking and nothing else. So let's give them buy return. Also, these kinds of returns are simply ridiculous as well. So we could actually open a couple of traders and see what are they giving for us to invest our own money in these ridiculous strategies. Okay, we just opened in the one trader, which is aggressive copy trader, high performance, smart leverage. Start with $50 and whatnot. So this is his own description of his trading strategies. I just opened it randomly. I don't think this is a good trader, but it's interesting to read what he offers. So stop loss 99%, profit target 100%, leverage trades designed for traders who understand risk and high returns. And so this is not interesting for us. If we are seeing his portfolio, we are seeing that he has made some extremely high returns per 1 day. Maximum daily return 1,280%, and he has been pretty good at this. And what his drawdown 9%. I'm not buying this. You know, this is too good to be true. 71%, nearly 72% winning rate. He trades metals, so probably this is the fact that gold and silver has risen significantly in this month, and he actually made some good returns out of that. Yes, he trades gold, only gold, and this is his main source of profit. I seriously doubt that he will be making this kind of money if gold would either be flat or be falling for 50% or more in short time frame. That's the fact of this trader. He's really exposed to gold. Gold has been extremely lucrative in the last couple of months, and if he has high leverage, there is no way he couldn't make a lot of money. So this is how high returns are made. Would I suggest you to trade like that? No. This is your possibility to see how realistic strategies are being evaluated. Okay, let's go and see something else. Maximum returns are nothing particularly interesting for us, so let's try to align this rating more thoroughly and see what's what. And I would actually say, if we are ranking this from perspective of 2026, I could say that in first month there are traders who are making money, and many of these strategies are pretty reasonable. Let's open traders who has sort of more reasonable return, although 46% per month is extremely high as well, but it's not as preposterous as like 1000% in 1 month, which is nonsense. So let's see what this trader has done. Firstly, this trader has reasonable capital under his management. Secondly, let's see at his drawdowns, and he has 60% drawdown. This seems more realistic. If he makes 60% drawdown in 1 day and 36% drawdown in 1 month, it might be possible that he's making 46% because simply he has very high risk reward ratio. That doesn't mean his strategy is good, but this is more realistic. If you want to make 50% return for a certain time, it will be 100% possibility that you will have 50 to 60% drawdowns. It's not that difficult to make these kinds of strategies. Difficult is to make strategy with 50% return and with 10% drawdown for long term. That's a complicated thing. So this trader also trades metals. So this is one thing, and he has 444 active copiers. So I actually think that this trader is something which could be considered. This might not be the best or most profitable trader out there, but he's realistic. His drawdowns are realistic proportion to his capital. He made a lot of money because gold made a lot of returns in recent months, and he's exposed to gold markets. So this is something we could see as realistic. And what he says about himself, let's see, his profit share is 20%, which is reasonable. He has quite volatile strategy. He has 444 followers, so not bad, not bad. Let's see what his monthly returns are. His monthly returns are also way more realistic than many other traders. You see, he makes 40%. At 1 month he has losses of what we have like 5 to 7% losses in other months. So 9% loss, 6% loss, and 0.11% loss in 3 of 8 months. So this is realistic trading strategy actually. In some magical way, without any kind of analysis, I actually found you a trader which has sort of realistic trading approach. And if you have stack of these traders, you could actually make some sort of trading strategy for your own. So before that you see unrealistic strategy for 1 month which had like 1,000+ returns. But then you see here is trader which makes 46% months, which also seems unrealistically high. But then you understood this was his trading month because he traded gold and gold made fabulous returns. And if you stretch this strategy for last 6 to 8 months, you see that on average he had a couple of bad months, couple of good months, and 1 exceptional month. And those 1-2 months per year makes all of his returns. This is how it works. So I think I would conclude this video and I would say this is how you have to look at trading in 2026 without ridiculously profitable copy traders. Find copy traders which has realistic trading returns, which has proportions to what you could realistically achieve based on markets you trade, based on risks you could take or drawdowns you could have, and see whether the trader has followers and consistent history. For instance, this trader, I am not related to his trader yet, but I would contact with him and see what he does, and I would say these types of traders are realistic and you could follow them, and if you stack them together you might have a good trading strategy. So on this we could conclude and say that yes, if you trade Vantage Markets you could have good copy trading strategies and good copy trading traders as I showed you now. So simply register with Vantage Markets, open your copy trading account, and you have set of good traders if you wisely follow them and understand how to search them like we did in this video, and you have pretty good chance to make some good money regardless of market trends. So if you want to see more wise copy trading, not some useless trading, bot or dangerous signals, watch my videos because we will explore many trading opportunities with these kinds of approaches. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.